everyone, so I am at the Liberty Science Center in Jersey City, and so I've got James, my cameraman here, and we are about to step inside. Alright, so I've got 6x6 here at 9:25, that's in like an hour and a half, so I'm gonna have to get warmed up pretty soon here. Hey Timothy, it's great to meet you.
Watch your videos and you inspire us to make our own master.
Oh, nice! Hey, it was nice to meet you. That one? Okay. Perfect. Thank you. Alright. Alright. So, what do you have in there? Wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. That's a big crowd. There he goes. Almost there. There you go. 2:45. So before I knew it, it was time to compete in 6x6. The reason why I didn't solve bigger cubes at the World Championship was because of the strict cutoff times. The time to beat here was 4:30, and I realized that you still get an official time. You just don't get to solve a full average. But since I didn't take the time to warm up beforehand, I let my nerves get to me a little too much. Ooh.
458,
So do I get another chance at it, or... So is this the one solve? Alright. Alright, I gave it a shot. Oh boy, man, I was sure nervous about that solve there, but I gave it my effort. I've gotten a lot better times than that before, but it was just, I was so nervous. But whatever, I came to have fun, and I get an official time, so... Yeah! Hey Ghost, what you got there?
Ghost Cube. I can't solve this. Why are you doing this to me? You're torturing me, man. No, stop. This is funny.
It's the ghost with the ghost cube.
What is this? Madness. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be really good footage.
Whoa.
No, you guys.
Sure. Oh, wow. PLL skin.
Oh. It's only that
You can only get that.
And there's the scramblers. Man, kudos to them for doing this for hours on end.
Not really.
All right, there we go. Solved it. That was awesome. That's a cool cube. Oh yeah, that's the beginner's number. So this one's slightly faster. Well then, the giant Rubik cube. Man, join game already in progress. Let's see. Yes. Oh, I did the blue and yellow one.
Blue and yellow?
There we go.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. Awesome. White cross! I got the white cross! 3.141592653589793238462643383279502. Oh, darn it! I lost my
37951064196262627.
Yeah, he's really doing it.
3-8.
Wow. Good job.
Have you competed in doing that before?
No.
There are competitions for that. I think they schooled you.
Just a little bit.
The kid schooled you.
3589793238220. Wait, what? I think you messed up. I'm pretty sure you.
Okay, oh, pie.
It's just like.
What he was? Oh, I was trolled.
The mark to beat is 4 cubes. That was set by David Calvo in Spain in 2009. Okay, let's go. And we have EMTs standing by.
Let's go.
All right, let's cheer them on, everyone. One cube. He's doing it one-handed. He's showing off now. 5 cubes. Anthony Cook has broken the world record.
In just so you know, this is not waterproof, but I would like to present this certificate to you too. Congratulations, you guys are officially amazing. Congratulations.
It's just getting my cube solved for it so that it can be officially scrambled, and cutoff is 220, and I got a few solves with it, so we'll see if I can get it. All right.
Do well. Nice job.
Yes, that cutoff. Ooh, it is a +2. Ooh. 225. Wrong PLL. It's a DNF, darn it.
Let me tell you, I've never seen so many people walk up to like anyone in my entire life.
But yes, I'm quite pleased with my 5x5. I actually thought I was going to do better at 6x6 than 5x5, but apparently, I mean, I had time to practice for a 5x5 unlike the 6x6.
I recorded every single one.
Awesome.
5x5.
Thank you so much for squeezing by for one when Kevin Hayes was right next to me, because
That was like the best one.
though that was my DNF salt.
Yeah, he was right next to Kevin.
Uh-huh.
We do it like exact same time.
I was like, okay, try not to think that this guy is going like twice as fast as me. I'm just gonna keep solving. But yeah, I got some of my best solves today on 5x5. I've like never, like I remember like back at home when I'd get warmed up, my best times would be around 2:30. But I met the cutoff once and I got
yeah, 219 the first one, right?
2:15.
215.
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice. He did really, really good today.
All right.
This is Curve. Pressure. Yeah, I'm sorry.
I only turned it twice, so it should be a cinch to solve it.
Got this.
Oh, you got the silver. Oh, you almost there. Yeah, you almost
You should
there.
play epic music while he's doing this.
Oh, you're one turn.
I really think you should.
Maybe we'll see.
Jump.
There.
Well, I guess you just have to get the sevens.
Yeah, the centers. The yellow one's a little bit tricky, but I just use a beginner's algorithm.
Where's my brother? Oh, you broke it.
Security go through your backpack again?
I actually checked my luggage this time. So
Oh yeah.
How does it light up? Is it motion sensitive?
No,
It's just a shirt.
Sound sensitive. Yeah.
Everybody be quiet.
And we are all here in support of Billy Hansen. Yeah, he's behind.
So starting out the day was 4x4, and this was the cube that I was working really hard at getting a good time at. The cutoff is 130.
You got it for sure. Oh, Billy! What did you get, Billy?
Yes.
Did he make it? Yeah. 2 seconds. Nice.
Second and a third. Oh, so I was so stoked that I made it. I just started learning Yao on the 4x4, and it was well worth it because I got under the cutoff. Yes, just 1 second. Yep. Whew, I don't know if you can see that at all, but Felix sat down right next to me, and yeah, it's kind of hard to focus when that happened. Still a bit nervous. I made a mistake, did a parody when I shouldn't have, so I had to undo the parody. But yeah, still, I mean, I still made the cutoff, so I get a full average, which was my goal.
And he got it down. 1 minute.
I made a mistake and it's 25. Sweet.
One more.
One more. Feeling good.
And he's done.
I did my parody a little bit before I should have.
A minute and
I'm
31.
satisfied. Ooh, that last solve, it was tricky because like I was like screwing up on the last jeeper, like not getting the last layer. I guess I was so afraid that I would like throw down the cube again and get a DNF before, so I was like making sure, but then I just got to be right above the cutoff, but it went well.
You cut off once though. You cut off
Yes,
once.
so I got a full average in. So have you guys gotten close to beating any world records so far?
Yeah, I messed up the last 6x6 solve, but I mean, that happens. So.
How far away were you from it?
The last solve was terrible. The first two were like right on pace to get the world record average, so.
Okay, nice. It was you, Felix, that got the world record average. Was it for 7x7? Nice. What was the time exactly? 2:48. 2:48. Yeah. Well, thanks for talking to me, guys.
Yeah, no worries.
Let's do this. Go! Take a cue.
Alright, come on.
Let's make a new tower.
Oh my god!
You're the one that heard it.
Game over.
Hey, you broke something!
Start building up a new tower with the salt cubes.
He came apart. I don't know what the other half is. Oh my god.
Not here, nice.
What was it? 4 minutes, 22 seconds, and then...
Probably 25 cubes.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, it exploded.
Oh my goodness, no. Got it.
Nice. Alright, so I'm about to start 3x3. I'm really hoping for like anything under 25 seconds. I haven't really improved much since Worlds, but at least this time I won't have Felix or like Kevin Hayes sitting next to me. That I'm sure of.
I'm sure you're gonna do great though. Nice job. Oh, yes! Yeah!
Oh yes! Yes! Under 25. Had a little trouble with that G-perm. So I think I got it. It's got to, my average has got to be 24 something, which I think is the best average I've got. Because my 30 would have been eliminated, I think my 23 would have been eliminated, so that would have left, I think like 2 24s and a 25. So I'm pretty sure I got my average. I'm here with Jake, and he had some insight about how the competition was organized today. So what did you think about the venue this year?
The venue, in my opinion, I've been here for competitions before and it wasn't in this room. They probably had money in mind when they were planning it around the exhibit. There's no tables for anyone to go at.
I know. Yeah.
So it is what it is. I mean, of course I'm having a great time. Everyone's having a great time.
As far as the competition itself, how are the organizers doing? How is it
So on the other end of it, the organizers are doing an amazing job. It's actually the first large-scale competition I've been to that has been executed very smoothly.
Nice.
And very timely. And I'm very impressed with especially Bob Brennan and Tim Reynolds, who are the WCA delegates here, who are able to make this whole thing happen with the help of many other cubers. And it's just great to see over time how we kind of made it come together, and we're actually on time now, which is pretty cool.
At the end of the day, I was asked by a documentary film crew if I'd like to do an interview.
How are you? Oh, you got the red cameras.
The 6K, the Dragons, the IMAX guys.
And what are you filming again?
It's a documentary for rating images about the Rubik's Cube culture and specifically Erno Rubik.
Alright, just so you know, we have everything happening. Jump up and down a few times. No.
I got that on camera, awesome. You are my idol. You're my idol. I was just gonna jump.
I've been trolled so many times in the last 2 days.
Pi is about to be interviewed. This is pretty cool.
So tell us about the first time you saw the cube and what it was your first impression.
Oh yeah, like I've had friends that could solve the cube for a while now, and I'm like, nah, I don't want to solve that. That thing looks way too complicated. And then about 6.5 years ago, I opened up a 4x4 Rubik's Cube for Christmas, and I'm like, great, thanks! And my cousin showed me how to take it apart, but I really wasn't very interested in it. The thing stayed scrambled on my desk for like 3 weeks. And then eventually I was like, well, maybe I can cheat, take it apart, put it back together in the solid position. So I was able to do that with the help of my cousin. So I was able to, yeah, I cheated. Not very proud of it, but then that's just the nudge I needed, because about a week later I was trying to solve it. I got about 1 layer solved and it couldn't get any further. So that's when I turned to YouTube, and once I got a YouTube tutorial to teach me how to do it, I thought the method was a lot more clever than doing it like layer by layer. I said do the centers first. Then I was just hooked. It was only like a couple months later when I was walking out of the store with a 2-layer cube all the way up to a 5x5. So that was a really great opportunity to take part in. They ended up interviewing me for an hour and a half, so I just might make the fine cut. It's supposed to come out by the end of 2016. Wow, that was quite the interview I had there. I did not expect it to be that comprehensive. It was just like, jeez. I kept talking. I love talking about this stuff. I've told people over and over again, so I knew what I wanted to say and whatnot. But yeah, it was just such a great day. I met my goals for cubing and I got to meet some great people. Yeah, it was such an awesome day. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I was fortunate enough that after digging this video up out of my archives, that it survived me accidentally erasing this external hard drive here. I learned that just because you have one brand of an external hard drive connected to your computer, doesn't mean that your computer BIOS will see it as that same brand. So if you would actually like to see the final rounds of the competition, then I invite you guys to check out Chris Olsen's video. He got complete coverage of the whole thing. The next competition I'll be going to will depend largely on whether or not someone I know can go with me. But until then, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.